Hey folks, how's it going? This is Mr. Murray coming to you with a do now for Wednesday, May 13th, 2020 for Course 1 CP. Alright, so in this do now, we're going to be converting to standard form. This is in a sense a review Wednesday because it's been a while since we've seen some of this stuff here. So what we're going to do, we've got these three right here, x plus 8, x minus 15, 2, g plus 18, g plus 12, and 3, x plus 30 squared minus 7. I want you to really do a good job in terms of showing all your work here and taking your time to do everything out. So please take a moment, pause the video, convert to standard form, and then when you're ready, unpause, and you can see what I got. All right. So moving to the first one, we've got x plus 8 times x minus 15. Our goal is to convert this into standard form. I've kept PEMDAS here because it is relevant in a sense. There's no exponents, but there is multiplication. And what we're multiplying is x plus 8, x minus 15. Remember, the order of where you put the numbers themselves in this case does not matter. So you could have put x plus 8 and x minus 15. So we do that the multiplication. X times x is x squared. 8 times x is 8x. X times negative 15 is negative 15x. Negative 15 times positive 8 is negative 120. Okay? And you can definitely use a calculator for any of this. So go ahead and we'll combine terms. So we've got x squared. There's only this. Remember the x's, you're usually going to find those in the diagonal. So negative 15x plus 8x is negative 7x. And then we have negative 120. And since there's no a value, or in a sense, I guess there's no a value, but a is really 1, and multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything, this is our final answer. All right, on the next one, it's just going to be what we just did, but with a little twist. So I'll set up my box. G plus 18, G plus 12. So I get G squared, so 18G plus 12G, 18G, 12G, and I've got to do 18 times 12. All right, and again, this is something that you definitely would want to use your calculator for. What you get is 216. So in this case, you drop the 2 out there because you're not multiplying. It's not a 1. We're going to have to distribute that. So we get G squared plus 30G plus 216. And now we distribute, wave check, 2G squared plus 60G plus 432. Okay, last one is going to be in vertex form with distributing. So remember, with the squared, here's where we really need to be careful when we're following PEMDAS. So first you do the exponent, x plus 30, x plus 30. So remember, we have x times x, 30 times x, 30 times x, and 30 times 30. So I combine this, and I get x squared plus 60x plus 900. Now I have to drop in my 3. So I distribute in, and I get 3x squared plus 180x plus 2700 minus 7. So it gets me 3x squared plus 180x plus 2,693. Okay? And so again, the idea with vertex form is you're first doing the square. And remember, when you square something, it's like multiplying it by itself. So x plus 30 times x plus 30. Then you're just doing the distribution. Doing this distribution, distributing the 3. And if there wasn't a number there, it would be 1. And remember, when you distribute 1, it stays the same. And in the last step, you're doing the addition or subtraction. In this case, it's subtracting by 7. So we get 2,693. So if we were able to get these 3 right, I just want to make it clear, this is a 180. So if we were able to get these 3 right, if so, congratulations, really proud of you. If not, maybe think about some of the places where you were able to be successful and some of the places that maybe you weren't. All right, but the one thing I just want to make sure I'm conveying is please make sure that you understand the process behind where the right answers come from. I know some of the resources that we do, like for example, the online expanding website, doesn't necessarily require you to do your work, but it is important to be able to think about your processes here, because we are going to start to work backwards and go the other way. And some of the patterns that I think we're finding are really important when we are going to start doing that. That is, when we start going from standard form back into, for example, intercept form. All right, so have a wonderful day. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone at tomorrow's Hangout at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. All right, best of luck. Don't forget to love math. And remember, you can do it. All right, until next time, have a wonderful day.